Binturong's secret weapon, why they smell like popcorn. Isn't that an amazing thought? Imagine encountering a mammal and being greeted by the aroma of warm, buttery popcorn. That's exactly what you experience with the Binturong, also known as bearcat. These intriguing animals are native to the dense forests of Southeast Asia, ranging from southern China down through Indonesia. They're often overlooked because they're primarily nocturnal and spend most of their time high in the trees. Stick around. You're about to learn something wild. But first, tap like and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next mind. But their unusual scent is a key part of what makes them so special, playing a vital role in communication and attracting mates. It's not just a pleasant surprise, it's an evolved trait that helps these animals thrive. You might be wondering where this unique scent comes from. It's not something they pick up from their diet. Instead, Binturongs have specialized anal glands located close to their tail that produce this distinctive aroma. These glands secrete a waxy substance containing fatty acids, which is then released as a liquid. It's often described as smelling like popcorn, bubblegum, or even curry. The comparisons are surprisingly varied. Scientists believe this scent plays an important role in communication, particularly for males to attract females during mating season. But it also likely helps them mark their territory and recognize each other. The source of the Binturong's remarkable aroma lies in specialized glands located near its tail. These glands don't produce a single scent, they create a truly complex blend of chemicals. Among these compounds, 5-hydroxyisobutylone, or 5-IB for short, stands out as the primary contributor to that distinctive popcorn smell we associate with them. What's even more fascinating is that this chemical is incredibly rare in the animal kingdom. The Binturong is only one of just 2 known mammal species on Earth capable of producing it. It truly highlights how unique and specialized their biology can be. That distinctive popcorn aroma isn't just a quirky characteristic, it's actually vital to the Binturong's reproductive success. Scientists have really honed in on this fascinating detail. They believe that this unusual scent evolved primarily as a way for males to attract mates. It turns out, female Binturongs are incredibly selective when choosing a partner, and they rely heavily on scent to assess male quality. Think of it like a perfume advertisement, but for wildlife. A stronger, more appealing aroma likely signals a healthier, fitter individual, one capable of providing better care for offspring. This intricate olfactory communication is a cornerstone of their mating rituals. The Binturong's scent marking isn't just a random occurrence, it's a surprisingly complex communication system. The intensity of that popcorn aroma actually differs significantly from one individual to another. Scientists believe this variation could be telling us a lot about the animal, things like their overall health, how old they are, or even their place in the social hierarchy. For females choosing a mate, these scent nuances can act as vital clues. A stronger, more distinct odor might signal a healthier, more dominant male, potentially leading to better offspring. It's essentially nature's way of allowing females to select partners based on qualities beyond just appearance. That distinctive popcorn aroma isn't solely for attracting a mate, it's also incredibly important for how binturongs communicate with each other within their territory. Think of it as a scented bulletin board in the forest. These animals have scent glands near their tail, and they use them to create these unique smells. To mark their space, binturongs actively rub against trees, rocks, and even shrubs, transferring this potent aroma. It's essentially leaving behind messages for other binturongs announcing their presence, perhaps signaling dominance or simply saying, "This is my area." These scent markings provide a way for them to share information without needing to physically interact, which can be especially useful in dense jungle environments. The binturong scent marking isn't just a quirky smell for us to appreciate. It plays a crucial role in their social lives and breeding success. Male binturongs use these powerful odors, which researchers describe as resembling popcorn or buttered caramel, to establish territories and communicate dominance. They rub their backsides on trees, rocks, and even the ground, leaving behind scent trails that signal their presence to other males. These markings essentially create a map of ownership, minimizing direct conflict and outlining boundaries. Females also use scent marking, but for them it's primarily about attracting potential mates. The intensity and placement of these scents can indicate readiness to breed, providing valuable information to males searching for partners. This complex system of olfactory communication is essential for maintaining order within binturong communities and ensuring successful reproduction. It's remarkable that this unique scent could actually help a binturong find a mate in the dense rainforest. However, this advantage is overshadowed by some serious challenges facing their survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation for agriculture and logging continues to shrink their range, fragmenting populations and limiting access to resources. Sadly, poaching also remains a threat. They are sometimes hunted for bushmeat or even captured illegally as exotic pets. These pressures mean that dedicated conservation efforts are absolutely vital if we want to ensure these incredible creatures continue to thrive in the wild. The binturong scent marking isn't just a simple territorial declaration, it's an incredibly complex system we are only beginning to understand. Imagine the forest floor as a giant bulletin board, and each binturong is posting messages not with words, but with this powerful, popcorn-like aroma. They use these scents to communicate everything from their reproductive status to dominance hierarchies within social groups. Scientists have identified over 30 different chemical compounds in that scent alone, suggesting an astonishing level of nuance. What's truly remarkable is how consistently they utilize it. Males especially mark trees extensively, creating what are essentially olfactory maps of their territories and preferred routes. The fact that this communication method has evolved to such a sophisticated degree underscores the sheer ingenuity of nature's solutions and reminds us just how much more there is to discover about these fascinating creatures. Isn't it fascinating how different animals have evolved such unique ways to interact with their environment? The binturong, also known as a bearcat, provides an incredible example of that. Its scent is remarkably similar to freshly popped popcorn. This isn't just a quirky coincidence, it's the result of complex chemical compounds secreted from glands near its tail. Scientists have identified several volatile organic compounds responsible for this unusual aroma, including 2-acetyl-4-pentanoic acid, which also happens to be present in buttered popcorn. The purpose of this scent isn't entirely clear, yet it's believed to play a role in communication, potentially attracting mates or marking territory. Imagine encountering this creature in the wild. You wouldn't see it first, but smell it. It truly highlights how senses and signaling can evolve in unexpected and delightful ways.